pele ge a re kweng seo tone ya thuto ya motheo Angie Motshekga a se boletšego ge a ala dipoelo.
The 2022 NEC exam pass rate has reached 80.1%. The second highest since 2019, which is an improvement of 3.7% from last year. The number of bachelor passes has increased. It's an improvement of 8.9%. The number of diploma passes has improved, so which means there's an improvement to the left and really getting lesser and lesser students passing from the side. But we must state that MEC KZ, and I did tell you when I was with you that there's a Natal surprise. There's a Natal surprise. We must state that Gauteng and KwaZulu-Natal did contribute most bachelor passes. We can also report that none of our provinces performed below 70%. And none of our provinces declined in results. All provinces, as I said, had one type or the other of improvement.